got an Evil Energy catch can. I'll be installing it on the car. Got rid of this bracket right here that was for like windshield washer fluid or something. Something I don't have. Anyways, we got it right here. Really kind of bent up. Some marks on it there. I'm gonna drill some holes in it. And then it's got this mount. Some of these little guys. I can mount it to that. Mount it there. And then it's just a matter of running lines and all that stuff. Shouldn't be too bad. Okay, so now we've got catch can mounted to bracket. It should just sit right in there. I might have to bend that a little bit. And then run right over to that hose right there. It'll take the oil and gas from the valve cover in right there. And then I'll take the other one and it'll go out into the intake after it's already done its job and taken the oil out. So pretty simple. Just need to get it mounted up and then run the hoses and cut those, and yeah. Okay, catch can is mounted. Oop, a little glare there. I'll go to this side. See, bracket here, bends around, mounts here, and you pull it out and tighten it up one more time. Luckily I could just pull these off and the whole thing comes out. So I'll make it, hopefully I can get an Allen wrench into there. But yeah, now it's gonna run some lines. Alright, and before I forget, let's get this thing set up. You gotta twist this piece off and then put some of this inside it. They give you plenty to refill it a few times too, so that's good. But yeah, stuff that thing full. Take out the extra. Now I gotta put in these here, put it back together, put it back on the bracket we made, put it back in the car and connect some hoses. Alright, as we can see, catch can's mounted. Only issue is I can only get this top bolt in. The way the bracket's bent, I can't get the second one in, but it's on there nice and tight. Boing. Now you just got to run this one to the in, right there, and then run the other one over to that guy. And then we're done. Not bad at all. Okay, just a heads up, if you're using this kit, it only gives you 2 of these, so you still got to reuse your factory connectors here. So don't just toss these out. You're gonna need them. Okay, we've got everything mounted, bolted up tight. You know, good idea to try and line these up so they're easy to get to next time you need to change it. Got mine both facing that way, gave me the most room. Those are on there nice and tight. Got these lines run down using the factory stuff. That's it. But yeah, pretty simple setup. Wasn't too hard. The most difficult part was just making that bracket fit everything. So got that done. But you know, crankcase gases and vapors and oils come up through here, go in through this, go through that material, oil drains out, you know, just the gases come back, so you don't get as much burning oil in your cylinders. Got a nifty little dipstick, so you can see when it starts getting full. I'm probably just gonna have to unbolt it to empty it. I don't know if I got enough room to get a hand. Well, maybe. I could always just pop the power steering thing off, pull it off, since that's just a screwdriver right there. But I don't know, came out pretty clean. Now, moment of truth, will it hit the hood? I don't think so, but you just never know. We'll see. Okay, test close 1. We definitely got some hood here, so we got to figure out a way to get that lower. So luckily for me, there are 2 holes in that bracket. I'm only using 1, so I'm hoping if I drop everything down that will work and give me enough clearance. It's only a little bit, but it should be enough. And hopefully these hoses will still clear everything and make it over, but we'll see. Pull the bracket out, adjust that, and see what happens. Mission complete. Hood closed. Now I gotta open it and make sure it didn't do any damage. Moment of truth, you guys are gonna see this at the same time as me. Pretty good. Maybe a little white paint on there. But it closed, it's good. It's fine. Not sure where it would have hit. Oh wait, right there, that little guy. I think that's it. Does look like a little nicked off. I think that's it. I think that's where we're getting it. Little bing bang, but we're alright. Might even just bang that out with the hammer a bit. It'll be fine. That might be the easiest it's ever shut.